Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. Here are the headlines of the day. President Draupadi Murmu shared her journey in an interview with Union Minister Smriti Irani, broadcast on Akashvani. India inherits the culture of harmony and believes that the whole world is one family, says President Draupadi Murmu. Cooperation with UAE in sectors like trade and investment and defense and security has grown manifold, says PM Modi. World Radio Day being celebrated around the world. Association of Ribhoi paid tribute to Dr. DD Lapang, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu shared her journey from Rairangpur, her birthplace in Odisha, to Rashtrapati Bhawan in an exclusive interaction with the Union Minister of Women and Child Development, Smriti Irani, in the concluding episode of Nayi Soch Nayi Kahani, a radio journey with Smriti Irani on Akashvani. The special episode was recorded at Rashtrapati Bhawan and broadcast on the occasion of World Radio Day today. The President shared numerous of experiences, beginning with her childhood to becoming a public figure. She fondly described the story behind her name, which was given to her by her school teacher. The President delved into her educational, professional and political journey. She shared her experiences of interacting with the masses as the President of India. President Draupadi Murmu said, "It is a time to recall our age-old spiritualism that focuses on mental peace." Speaking at the event organized by Srimad Rajchandra Mission at Dharampur in the Valsad district of Gujarat today, the President said, "India inherits the culture of harmony and believes that the whole world is one family." She said that when other countries were expansionists, India worked for the betterment of humanity. President said that with changing times, we are going away from our spiritual legacy and giving importance to material pleasures. She emphasized the need to understand our legacy of spirituality and conserve it.
ये संस्थान जिस दिशा में जा रहे हैं, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, ये दुनिया के 200 से ज़्यादा उनका सेंटर्स है। इसी सेंटर्स में लोग जाके यहाँ से ज्ञान प्राप्त करके अपने जीवन को सार्थक करने के साथ साथ पूरा मानवता को ये ज्ञान पहुँचाए कि हम कौन हैं, कहाँ से आए, हम क्या कर रहे हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today embarked on a 3-day visit to UAE and Qatar. In his departure statement, Modi said he is traveling to the United Arab Emirates on an official visit for 2 days from today and to Qatar on the 14th and 15th of February. The Prime Minister said it will be his 7th visit to the UAE and 2nd visit to Qatar since 2014. Modi has said that over the last 9 years, India's cooperation with UAE in diverse sectors such as trade and investment, defense and security, food and energy, security and education has grown manifold, and the cultural and people-to-people connection is stronger than ever. Today is World Radio Day. Every year, the 13th of February is observed as World Radio Day to raise awareness among the people and the media about the importance of radio and to encourage access to information through radio. The day was proclaimed by the member states of UNESCO in 2011 and subsequently adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 2012 as an international day. This year's theme is Radio, a Century Informing, Entertaining and Educating. In this era of a technologically advanced world with easy access to the internet and other mediums of communication, the peculiar role of radio cannot be ignored. Union Agriculture Minister Arjun Munda has said that the government is always ready to talk with the farmers and do everything possible to find a solution to their issues. Talking to reporters in New Delhi, Mr. Munda said the government is bound to protect the interests of the farmers. He said the farmers' issue is also interlinked with the state governments and there is a need to prepare a forum for discussions and find a solution.
कि आम जनता की बातों को, आम जनता के कठिनाइयों को भी समझते हुए और ये ध्यान में रखते हुए कि कोई ऐसे तत्व इस तरह के घटनाओं को बढ़ावा दे करके किसानों को बदनाम कर सकता है।
सर कुछ
किसान हमारा अन्नदाता है, किसानों का कोई नुकसान नहीं हो इसकी चिंता हम लगातार करते रहे हैं, करते रहेंगे।
The World on Wheels, the WOW program, brings digital literacy labs on buses to rural areas, while the Common Service Lab CSL in Lomshnong offers sessions on digital and financial literacy. These efforts have positively impacted over 250 individuals, creating sustainable livelihoods. The WOW initiative, in collaboration with HP Company and the Government of India's Digital India initiative, aims to provide digital literacy training, entrepreneurship development, e-education and citizen services to rural areas. Following the notification of St. Anthony's College to implement a dress code, the students of the college protested against the decision of the college authorities on Tuesday. Students assembled in the college campus to voice their concerns, asserting that the decision was done suddenly. The students met the principal of the college and no decision has been taken as the matter will be relayed to the higher ups of the college.
Our protest is mainly to go against the uniform because it's just so sudden and we are having only 1 year left. We are in the 4th semesters now, so 1 year left and the uniform is suddenly implemented. And if the college authority, if they want to implement the uniform, they can do so by the next batch, maybe during the time of admission, keeping in writing in the admission form, like if they want to implement the uniform, give it a writing, so whoever has seen that, if they still come to the college, they will come with their own consent of wearing uniform.
Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Anurag Singh Thakur has said that after 2014, the government decided to encourage the community radio stations and provided 7.5 lakh rupees assistance and additional funds for the community radios. While delivering the keynote address, Thakur said that it is encouraging to see the effective functioning of 117 stations in the southern region. He said that it is the voice of the voiceless. The minister said that the community radio in vernacular language is important to work for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. He said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi showed how important communication is to reach the grassroots. The Young Minds Association of Ribhoi paid tribute to Dr. DD Lapang, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and a prominent leader of Ribhoi and the entire state, by unveiling his statue today. The unveiling ceremony took place at Ribhoi College premises in Nongpor. Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tingsong, graced the occasion as the chief guest, while the local MLA of Nongpor, Meral Bones Aim, attended as the guest of honor. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tingsong, along with the Dr. DD Lapang and his family, unveiled the statue, marking a historic milestone in Ribhoi district. Addressing the gathering, Dr. DD Lapang expressed his profound gratitude to the leaders and members of the Young Minds Association of Ribhoi for honoring him with the erection of his statue. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tingsong, in his address, praised Dr. DD Lapang was a great leader not only in Ribhoi and Meghalaya but also as a national figure who has dedicated himself to the service and betterment of the state and the country as a whole.
Baru bahasa baking bukti yadikam kebadansa. Malaysia dan Ribhoi district bahila peni yang berat bak jokai jelas.
And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 18.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 7.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 67%, while in the evening was 78%. The forecast states that dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now, before we wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu shared her journey in an interview with Union Minister Smriti Irani, broadcast on Ashwani. India inherits the culture of harmony and believes that the whole world is one family, says President Draupadi Murmu. Cooperation with UAE in sectors like trade and investment and defense and security has grown manifold, says PM Modi. World Radio Day being celebrated around the world. And Young Minds Association of Ribhoi paid tribute to Dr. DD Lapang, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in the news today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, thank you for watching and good night.